So guys, in this video we are looking at the BQEYZ BQ3. I don't know what does that mean, BQEYZ. Far too many letters, I believe, in random sequence. Yeah, YZ is understandable, but then come on, what sense does it make? Uh, but it's a very interesting earphone, to be precise. There are three balanced armature and two dynamic drivers doing the heavy lifting here. So let's see. It's a very cheap earphone, around 60 70. It's retailing for $60-70 in AliExpress. So not an expensive earphone by a long shot. So let's see what other things we are getting out of the box. Slightly damaged. So weight is 25 grams, cable length 1.2 meters, plug 3.5, pin type 0.78 mm. Yeah, the frequency response is unbelievable, 7 to 40. We simply cannot hear beyond 20. That's the human upper limit. Some might claim that they are able to hear around 22, but man, that's we cannot prove that. So the sensitivity is slightly lower, 95 dB. Earphones do uh, have a sensitivity level of around 110 115. Usually this is on the lower side. Impedance is 22 ohms, slightly higher than the 16 ohm prescribed for mobile devices, but 22 is pretty doable. So yeah, these are the earphones. Hybrid technology. Okay, this is user guide. I don't know any good that brings user guides. So this is the cable. Yeah, okay, nice. This one is a carry pouch for a change. That is very good, very nice of them. Drawstring carry pouch, nothing wrong with it. You are getting something to carry around the earphone for sure. Velvet, it's totally not the best quality velvet, but it's velvet nevertheless. So yeah, let's see the earphone. Am I supposed to see if anything in there? No. Yeah, tips are falling. All the tips are falling down. No. Yeah, I managed to keep the tips in. So this is the earphone. Interesting looking earphone. BQEYZ BQ3. There were other earphones like KC2, KC3, KC1. I'm not exactly sure, but BQEYZ have other earphones too. So if you will see, it doesn't have any ridges for the ear tip. So just slide it in. Yeah. Okay, it's nice. It's not big by a long shot, but it looks good. All metal body, and the blue color looks very good. So yeah, that's it, guys. There is the unboxing, and expect the review in next year maybe, I believe. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.